Hi guys, good to see you. It's been a while since I've done a video, but I got my spring box, so of course I had to open it. I look like a bum because that's what we've been doing today. We got back from a mini vacation, and so we've just been lounging around, doing laundry and stuff, and I didn't really feel like dressing up or putting on makeup because I'll just be home. So anyways, let me get my box. This actually was delivered a while ago. I just wasn't home to open it, so I did have an add-on, and it was just the sponge gel. These, I really like these. They're buffers for the shower, and they already have like the body wash in them. So I don't really get them often, but when I see them on there, I like to add them. So let's get to it. That's basically the only thing that I added onto my box. Other than that, it'll just be whatever they sent me. So this is what the box looks like for the spring. It's really pretty with some butterflies. So grab some scissors to cut this tape. There we go. All right. As usual, the magazine is up there. And I'm pretty excited that Gina Rodriguez is on the magazine. I used to love her in like Jane the Virgin, so I'm not going to skip through this because I don't want any spoilers. I also have, I guess, a coupon for Bite. I think these are braces. Invisalign bracelets, maybe, I guess. And then another 9 free meals. I may just have to bite the bullet and get it. I still haven't gotten this. What's wrong with me, guys? So it looks like this. And we are going to open it up and see what we got. Ooh, lots of pretty stuff this time. Okay. Oh, these are cool. So I've got some of those silicone straws. It's 4 straws with the brush cleaner and a plastic case. Looks like that, very eco-friendly. Then we also have, ooh, heck yeah! I'm excited for these. These are those gravity eye masks. They're supposed to help you sleep better. But yeah, they're just weighted eye masks, and that's supposed to help you sleep better. So I don't know. We'll see. So let's see what it says. So it's got weighted beads for up to 1 pound of evenly distributed pressure. It's an adjustable Velcro strap. And it's a deep touch pressure stimulation. So it's supposed to help you sleep better. So I'm excited to try this. I'll have to let you guys know how that was. Then we have the Perlice. I don't know if that's how you say it, but the watermelon energizing 2-minute polishing peel. I'm really nervous about peels and them affecting my skin, but that's what that looks like. We'll see if I keep it or not. I might have to smell it and see. Ooh! Yes, I've been wanting to try this. This is the Revive Light Therapy. It's the wrinkle treatment. I know I don't really have a lot of wrinkles, but I am in my 30s, so it's never too late to start, or never too early to start. So this says, based on science, Revive Light Therapy uses NASA-based technology to safely and effectively repair damaged skin. Our lights tackle fine lines and wrinkles, loss of firmness, elasticity, skin dullness, and uneven skin tone. So I don't know. I'm excited to try this. Oh, and I guess there's different types of lights. So infrared light, invisible to the naked eye. It penetrates deeper than any other color in the spectrum. It combats the signs of aging by stimulating the natural production of collagen and elastin. Red light reaches deep levels of the skin, where it stimulates cellular repair and increased circulation to promote a more vibrant and youthful complexion. Amber light brings vitality to dull and lifeless complexions, and amber light reduces the appearance of redness, swelling, and inflammation. This is good because I always have inflammation, usually allergy related, so that'll be nice to see. Ooh, this color of light is beneficial to rosacea, so if you have rosacea, this one got you covered. Okay, cool. So I'm excited to try that. I don't know. Have you guys tried this? Let me know. I'm interested. Fast food. Ooh, leave-in conditioner. I always like when they send hair products because I like to try all different things. So this one is from AG. Hair Care. I think that's the brand name. It says, fast food feeds, smooths, and calms frizzy, thick, or coarse hair instantly. I don't know if I'll be able to keep this one, because if it's aimed more for coarse hair, that might not work for me, but we will see. Then this, ooh, a body oil. So this is Marianella body oil, rosewood, and let's see, Kubeba, question mark. But it looks like that. I wonder what this does. Cold pressed infusion of amazingly beneficial 100% pure oils and vitamins. It moisturizes, soothes, and replenishes your skin the way nature intended. We'll see. We will try that too. Deep sleep body cocoon. Is this for your face or is this? So this is a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. I've never heard of this. It's from This Works. Do you put this on your face? Oh, no. It's for your hands and body. I'm cool with that. I will get on board with this. We will try this tonight. And last but not least, thank God I got this. It's another umbrella. I'm glad because the last one I got from FabFitFun broke a little bit, so I've still been using it, but it is in rough conditions. But this is one of the ones that has the little button there, so then you walk outside and you just have to hit it and it opens up for you. So I'm excited to have another umbrella. So exciting. Anyways, I think that is all that was in my box. Thank you guys for joining me, and let me know if you've gotten any of these things in your box currently, or if you tried that product because you bought it on your own. Yeah, so just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.